another video. What I'm looking at? Hot Wheels Unlimited to start day. Jadi ya udah. This one it done the like a deer.
Dude, I'm so glad you're here. Well,
Kado.
Yo, check out this ride. Roger Dodger's a classic.
Where's the
Power,
Dodger?
speed, and style.
Wow, it's not so.
I mean, have you seen that engine? It can be all yours for some red wheels. Let's go get some.
Okay. Puzzle. This.
Tap here.
This kade. यहाँ पे टैप करना पड़ेगा.
Tap bam. First challenge. Hit it. Challenge accepted.
क्या करते हैं?
I hope you've got your thinking cap on. This is a puzzle trial. Your goal is to fix the track. In order to get your car from this launcher to the finish ring. Can you do it? Sure you can. Here are your track pieces. Boom! Get busy building. Just grab a track piece, slide them over, and drop them where you think they fit. All right, let's finish up the track. Nice work. You got this. Test your track at any time by pressing the go button. Alrighty then. Just smash the go button and go get your red wheel. Arcade steering. Two-finger controls. Arcade steering. Two-finger controls. Two-finger controls. Arcade steering. Here's a loader. Until you get your own ride. Here we go. You got it. Keep going, champ.
Let's go.
Red wheel one. We've got one more in store. Hit it. Challenge accepted. This is a race challenge. Time to bring your A game. Gotta tap fast to launch your car. Arcade steering. Awesome launch. Show me what you've got.
अरे कैसे आ गए मुझसे नहीं बड़ी जल्दी fresh
I know, right? That was cool.
yes it's tough for 65
Nice. You got red wheels.
चलो
Yeah.
कंप्लीट कर दिया
Dodger is ready to roll. Challenge cleared.
तो कहाँ है कलेक्शन
You've completed all the daily challenges available. You can play more with the Ultimate Pass.
in this
I've got something much better lined up.
Ready, set, go.
That's a ton of track pieces. Connect them to your launcher and get building. See that big arch over there? That's your goal. It'll move with you as you build your track. Neat, huh?
Ini sekolah dah. Putar apa namanya? Sekolah lagi. Putar apa ya?
Check this out. I've got something amazing to show you. Tap here. Tap the theme buttons to use stunt tracks. Yeah, that's what Hot Wheels is all about. Use these to loop, boost, crash, and clash with the Nemesis. When you're ready to race your track, slap the race button. No rush though. Take your time. Make it awesome. Just tap the Hot Wheels theme button to go back to normal track pieces. You can create crazy tracks by mixing all these themes together.
Normal track चाहिए नहीं बनाना मुझे आप कैसा करते यहाँ पे ऐसे डालूंगा ऐसे करूँ ऐसे घुमा के यहाँ पे होगा मेरा पॉइंट
Ready to race? What do you get when dinosaurs crash their cars? Tyrannosaurus Rex! Press the spin button for a random name, or swipe the reels to create one. Choose your ride. Race on! See?
हेकर लग रहा है मस्त लग रहा है चाकोला मुझे चाहिए तो मैं क्रिकेट में कितना बड़ा है आर्केड स्क्रीन ओए लास्ट कर दिया मेरा बनाया मेरा तो मुझे लास्ट कर दे Wow, third. Yeah, third. Whoa. What the heck? Yes, I can even. Wow. What's that there? What's that in there?
I know, right?
अच्छा ये Roger अच्छा रॉकेट मिल गया नहीं तो मैं थर्ड मिलता
Hot Wheels incoming! One new prize coming right up! A master of tricks and stunts!
Yeah, Bone Sucker.
You've got a sense for flair! Get ready! You'll need more wheels to win this one! Hey, I have one more thing to show you. Tap the worldwide track button.
Hello?
Hope you have your winter tires on, because it's about to get frosty.
ये करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक।
Welcome to World Tracks.
Oh, you're welcome. ये यहाँ पर सेंट मनी का नहीं ये सब करें नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे। गाइस दैट इज फॉर द वीडियो। तो वीडियो पसंद है लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, बेल आइकन क्लिक कर देना। टेक केयर, बाय बाय।